Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, remove the 5 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 captive screws on the rear of the base cover and lift the cover off the system. Find the battery cable and remove the piece of tape. Unplug the cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and tighten the screw. Plug in the battery cable and reattach the piece of tape. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.